Dessert din. Sarap. Masarap yung kasaba din. Kasaba man siya. Masarap yung kasama. Weather now nice guys, sunny. But last night ano ba? Rainy. Good morning Philippines. Sakaya na doon kayo. I feel hungry na guys. 12:30 is already. Our breakfast today is pan. We need to reheat this leftover yesterday guys. Pakbit. Lunch guys, rice. Pakbit and mang inasal guys, chicken. Red sheet guys. Sinila. Yeah. Wow, nido. 89.95. Small man na. Salumpas pin. Salumpas. Combos. Cheddar cheese. Big cracker. That one. I think big size that. It's fine to make a video here because no people here. Wow, mana for the cat. Wow, so expensive the food of the cat. Yeah, the big box man na siya. To buy trust guys. Garbage roll bag medium mana. 129. This one medium. This one 95 naman siya. Medium, still medium. Because you always throwing trust.
22 but
aluminum foil man over here. Aluminum foil. Big size. How much the Ziploc? I think that one the price $2.49. Yeah. Yes. How many pieces inside? 50? Expensive. 50 pieces lang siya guys.
The plastic, they're not sleeves.
Plastic plate pala.
Hmm.
Kaya pala expensive kay. 749.
I don't know why.
No, is not a plastic?
It is plastic, man.
A plastic.
Yeah.
So washable
Yeah, I guess.
and reuse again. Wow, so expensive kay. The bowl. This one. 1,000?
I mean, you're talking about $20.
Yeah, so expensive money. 150 balls. Paper plate. Bar bowl. Oh, so lot of Totitos over here, guys. That one. The flavor. Doritos. And this one. Totitos, this one. The price is
You want that sauce?
not big size of potatoes. Potatoes original. And the price is 182. Pork rinds with meat. This is chicharon wine. 459. This one? Wow. Yeah, pork rinds. 400. Okay. Cheeseburger guys, 249. Ito naman siya. Oh, this one. Wow. Tortillas. Prop. This one. Okay. 10 pieces but small man. 129.95. New York, Texas.
No.
Huh? Over there. Taco seasoning. Okay. 35 pieces. Pala eh. Delicious din. Pizza man. Natin over there. This one for the pizza. Chili ball. 190 naman siya. Yung 1 pieces. Bas big beans. Ito lang din. Chicken soup. Why? This is chicken soup. And then this is chicken noodles man. Hi guys, we're na at the house guys. Today is a tour video. We're with the Landers. Yeah. We bought another bag of Landers. And we try the chicken Landers. I don't know. This is 260 more chicken. More chicken. 2-piece chicken. Very nice. Look like party outside, guy in the lobby. Look like a party. Maybe Debo. Because the next over there, next unit over there, I saw somebody enter there dress up like a party. Maybe Debo guy. Oh, noisy. Blood in Landers die. Half food. Brown beef. Brown beef. The bottom is the nice bottom. Cold bottom. Next. Unboxing ko. My husband try this. Lipton iced tea. I don't know. Hopefully they like that. And look at this. Ziploc. And of course, Yakult. You drink that chocolate. And this one, Tostitos. And next, this one. Big Ben's. I need to get one this day in the microwave. Buy two. Oh my gosh. Try this chicken noodles. And the trust bag. This one. Combos. Cheddar cheese. Big pretzel. Let's go like this. And try this taco. And the one taco seasoning. This is only available in the Landers. And that's it. And we spend this guy. All of this is 2,200. Like that. Hey guys, let's eat guys. Rice and canton. This canton is leftover for my breakfast guys. We eat breakfast. Two slices of white bread and we put canton in the center. And this is the leftover, so we need to eat for lunch. With rice. And have a chicken. We put this chicken from London. It's not bad. It's downstairs. Look like have a party. Look like have a party guys. Yesterday guy have PhilHealth people in the lobby, so that's why we update our Philippine health yesterday. That is free all Filipino guys. I'm not paying monthly for the Philippine health because it's free now. Because last time we pay monthly because I'm working. Of course, the company provided it. But if you stop your work, of course, the monthly stop also. But now you need to update that as a free. And then also updating my voter's ID. So that's it. That's it. We do both. That's it guys. To 50 now. We went to London today. We buy something over there. Usually I like the chicken in Mang Inasal and McDonald's. It's done. A party guys. May party dyan sa lobby.